Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we are going to be talking about Lordstown Motor. They just, well, I don't know. This is not actually from the company release. This is actually a third-party article, but a third-party article came out saying Lordstown Motor hits 40,000 pre-orders in new endurance vehicle electric pickup trucks. I don't know where they got their source information from. On Wednesday, Lordstown Motor announced it has received 40,000 uh, pre-order for Lordstown Endurance pickup truck. So maybe they did announce it, but I don't see any kind of article or press release from Lordstown Motors. So I don't know where this came from, but this just came out like an hour ago. So this could be completely fake. I don't know at the end of the day. But, this is maybe this is an attempt to pump the stock up. I have no idea. But I really feel like Lordstown Motors truck is going to sell like very, very well. Like very, very well. And 40,000 pre-orders. By the time they start delivering vehicles, I think they're gonna go over 100,000, maybe 200,000 vehicles pre-ordered for the pickup truck. I really seriously think that Lordstown will eventually get between 100 to 200,000 pre-orders. Why? Because you look at the Cybertruck, it has over 600,000 pre-orders. Over 600,000 pre-orders for the Cybertruck, and the Lordstown Motor truck looks nicer than the Cybertruck. At least it depends on the person. Some people say Cybertruck looks better. Some people say the Endurance from Lordstown look better. It all depends on the person. Not everyone's the same. Personally, I would prefer the Cybertruck because I like to stand out. And the Cybertruck stands out way more than the Lordstown truck, but that's my opinion. Some people don't like to stand out. Some people just want an electric vehicle, but I really feel like the Lordstown truck is going to sell a lot. They're not even selling it yet, and they already received 40,000 pre-orders. I feel like by the time they start delivering cars, I feel like Lordstown will have over 100,000 pre-orders. And I really feel like Lordstown is extremely undervalued at where the company's stock price is. But at the end of the day, big money ultimately determines where the stock price will be. As a retail investor, your job is to figure out what is a good price point to buy in at, and to figure out if, in the future, big money will pump the stock. That's essentially what, as a retail investor, that's what you're supposed to do. Will Diamond Peak Holding stock keep selling off? There's a possibility. I think a good buy point will be around $17, but this is the stock market we're talking about, and there's a possibility, not 100%, that Lordstown could go all the way back to $12. That would be so painful for people who are long-term investors, but you gotta remember, that's still a possibility. That is still a possibility. Will it happen? Probably not. But, if the stock market actually crashes, there's always a possibility. There's always a possibility. Don't forget that anything is possible in the market. That's why you never go all in on a stock. And that's why, if it goes back to $12, I'm going all in. I'm going to load the boat on Lordstown. But that is really severe. Like, there has to be something really bad for that to go back down to $12. So I would cry if it goes back to $12 because I just literally lost all my profits. But I'm buying more at that price point for sure. But if it goes to 17, I might buy some more at 17 too. So we'll see what happens. It's just, to me, it's sad. It's not sad, but I find it stupid that, Lordstown is announcing pre-order numbers, and, Electromile just refused to announce pre-order numbers. They refused to announce how many orders they got for the electric solo. But that's the company's decision to do that. I can't do anything about that. So you just gotta wait, I guess. Wait until they start delivering cars and hope the stock bounces. What bounces, but rather rich people pumping the stock. Really good volume today, though. The stock got put near the end of the day. The stock near the middle of the day, the stock got pumped hard. But then there was a big sell-off, and yeah, so we'll see where this continues. I think it was just basically shorts covering. Shorts, they probably figured, oh, hey, look, the stock's not really going down anymore, so they decided to cover, and then people took profit, and yeah, that's just the reality of it right now. We'll see where this goes. SPI had a really this stock just came out of nowhere. It pumped from literally $1. The stock market is so unpredictable. It went from $1 to $14 in a very short amount of time. So that's insane. That's just insane. That's to me, that is an insane price movement. I think it's probably going to be a pump and dump. I definitely will do my research, and I might make a dedicated video on the weekend for this, just for fun. We'll see if it gets any views. Nikola. So, why do I call Lordstown undervalued? Look at Nikola. $8 billion market cap. Lordstown, $3 billion market cap right now. Maybe $4 billion market cap. So Lordstown is half of Nikola. So yeah, that's why I call Lordstown undervalued, because of Nikola. But Nikola is crashing, and I think Nikola is going to head down to, like I said, I think Nikola is going to head down to $5 eventually. Not now, but eventually it's going to head down to $5. That is my medium-term prediction for Nikola, but that's my opinion only. Giga Metals. So Giga Metals, I don't know what the stock price is gonna do, honestly. But it could go all the way down to 30 cents. That would be a no-brainer opportunity. I think market cap don't matter anymore. People are selling it off. $49 million market cap, very, very, according to the CEO, I don't think he has any reason to lie. And when he was talking about it, the stock was sitting at 20 cents anyways, or 30 cents. He said that they spent $30 million developing their mine, or developing their site, drilling and doing research and study and figuring out where to mine and doing all that prep work before they built the mine. And you are right now, you're paying, if you're buying the stock right at the moment, you're paying $49 million for a mine that is potentially worth billions and billions and billions of dollars. At the end of the day, big money ultimately determines where the stock price would go. Because if we compare companies like Canadian Nickel Mine, which has a way smaller mine than Giga, is valued double what Giga is. That doesn't mean that Canadian Nickel Mine can't go down lower. That doesn't mean that Canadian Nickel Mine can't go back down to 46 cents or 86 cents. That's a total possibility. And right now it's downtrending. So, I'm just saying that Giga, right now, is on sale if you compare it to his peers. Like FPX Nickel, right? FPX Nickel, valued at $107 million. But obviously, right now, market cap don't matter for Giga. So, I don't know. But I will continue to buy if it keeps going down. I don't care. I just can't ignore it. They have such a big mine. It's such an attractive asset to me anyways. I may have bought into the stock a little premature. This is my history of the stock. So I bought a little. Okay, so basically, I bought into the stock at right here, I believe, like right here. No, not right here. Right around here, $1.55. I bought a little bit of this. I'm not gonna disclose how many shares I bought, but I bought a little bit. And then the stock ran all the way up to $2, and then it crashed all the way down to a dollar 40. Like, I believe it was like $1.38. I bought a little. I actually ignored it here, but then it over here, I believe. So I bought a little bit at $1.37, and then it kept going down and down, and I bought a little bit more, and then I bought a little bit more, and then the stock bounced, and then it crashed. I bought a little bit more here, bounced back, didn't buy any here, crashed. I bought a little bit more, around 70 cents, and I'll just keep buying more as it keeps going down and hope that one day the stock price reverts itself. I don't control the market. I just really like the asset, and I thought it was undervalued compared to his peers. But at the end of the day, big money will control where the stock price moves, and it might keep going down. That's the reality of it. That's what I had to accept when I bought into it. I knew that mining companies are very volatile, and but the return on investment could be ridiculous. If Elon Musk, if there was a deal between this company and Elon Musk, I think the stock would skyrocket to like $10 plus, just like SPI, right? Like, this thing came out of nowhere, was $1, and it skyrocketed to $31 in one day. So yeah, could that happen to Giga? Maybe, especially if Elon announces a deal with them. On short term, we could see this thing go down 30 cents. I think that would be a super buying opportunity, like a super buying opportunity. That's just my opinion anyways. So yeah, FPX nickel. I actually sold out of my entire FPX nickel position today. Why? Because I wanted the cash. Workhorse today was down massively, and looks like it's still continuing to go down. The market overall today was super red. Like, everything is just super ugly. Will it continue that way? It's a possibility. We'll see what happens. Hyliion today down $3.30 after hours, popping back up again. Lithium America Corporation could be an opportunity here, not financial advice. Nikola, I already talked about Nikola. Looks like it's continuing to decline. Blink had a big downfall day today. Green Power down to $11.50, bouncing back after hours. We'll see where this goes. IROC trading halt on GPV. Why did they have a trading halt? Interesting. Did they have some news? I don't know. Aurora down up 3 cents after hours. But had a little bounce near the end of the day. I don't know where this is gonna go. I think it's oversold right now, and tomorrow we're probably gonna see this thing go back to probably about like maybe 550 before it continues to sell off. Afria down today because of Aurora. Quran is also down because of Aurora. GameStop today is down after hours being pushed up. True E today is down 60 cents. Man is up a penny. Kira Leaf is down. Oh, Kira Leaf is up 3 cents. Trine, this is the 3D printing company, looks attractive at these prices, but it could go all the way down to $10. That would be extremely attractive down there. High Tide today, just kind of trading sideways. Ooh, it had a nice little pop, but then sold off. ACAC. Big down day today, down $11.11. Very good food company today, just kind of traded sideways. Beyond Meat down $3.25. Liberal Health Science down a penny, just kind of trading sideways. Kira, already talked about that. Planet 13, people must be heartbroken if they're holding, but if people are not holding, I mean, they're probably like, yes, buying opportunity soon for bounce when Jeremy pumps it. If Jeremy pumps it, he's unpredictable. Already talked about that. Okay, well, yeah, well, Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp had a nice nasty day today, down $2.25, 11.85%. Not too much to say about that. Anyways, this is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.